So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is copy list with random pointers. And in that we have to create a deep. Okay, so we are given a linked list like this, which has a data, a next pointer and a random pointer, which can point to any random value in the linked list or none. So we need to create a copy of this linked list and all the nodes and all the pointers should be new. Okay, so we can't use these pointers. We have to allocate new memory and pointers. So let's see how we can do that. Now, first step, okay, what we can do is we can generate a linked list like this. Okay, we have the original list. We will use the next pointers and generate these dummy nodes a dash, b dash, which will be copy of a, b dash will be copy of b, c dash will be copy of c, and so on, and arrange in this manner. Now, why we are doing that? See, arranging next is not a problem. Because we know that after A, B will come, after B, C will come. But random pointers are the ones which we cannot predict that they are there in the list or not. Okay, so in order to avoid duplication, we are forming a structure like this. And then we can easily allocate random pointers to the newly made linked list nodes. How? For example, A's random pointer. Okay, just a second. Uh, For example, A's random pointer is pointing to, let's say, C. So I know that A dash's random pointer, which is A's next now, will point to C's next. For example, B's random pointer is pointing to D. So I definitely know that B's next, which is B dash, has to point to D's next, D's random pointer. Okay. So that's why we have generated this kind of a structure. And lastly, what we need to do is we need to separate the two linked lists. So yeah, guys, in this way we can see. Let's see the code how we can do that. Okay, guys. So let's see how we can do it using code. So it's very simple. If head equals to null, we will return null. That's not an issue. Now what we are doing, we are first creating new nodes and inserting them next to the original nodes. Okay, so we are having a current and then simply we are creating a new node which is having a value of currents val, and then we are inserting it next to it. Now we are setting the random pointers. We know that random pointers of the newly allocated will be null, and the previous linked list which we have in the question might be null or might not be null. So if the currents random is not equals to null, then what we need to do, currents next random, which is the copied node, has to point to currents randoms next. Okay, so this is the logic behind that. And then finally we are separating the new nodes from the original nodes so that we can have the two linked lists back. So we know that current linked list is having at the head and the cloned head is heads next. That is the first node which is copied is the second node from the head. Okay, so simply what we are doing is we are keeping two pointers and then changing the next pointers of there. Random pointers are already sorted. Random pointers they have of their own. So we just need to change the current pointers. So yeah, guys, in this way we can do this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.